country?
From Estonia in Northeast Europe.
Your name, please.
My name is Margus Lattik, but I have written under the name of Matura, and most of my books are published as Matura.
4 edition Koprazer, this literary festival you have attended 3 days. How do you feel about that?
About the festival,
Yes.
yeah, I think it's a very warm festival. There is a lot going on. There are different venues, and well, some are in local languages maybe, which I don't understand. But I think it has a very warm feeling, and what I like particularly is that it's. Of course, it is celebrating literature first of all, but it's not only literature. I have really enjoyed some, folk dance, folk music, and these performances. I think it's a very, very, very nice combination.
Will you write for regarding this local people here? How do you feel about these local people? Will you write in your books?
Yes, you are also a writer and you are arrived here for 3 days and you know about that. So you try to write about this local culture heritage.
I think I will try to write something. Yes, I mean I haven't yet, but I've taken some little notes, and would be lovely to give something back, even if it's just some short piece or poem or whatever essay, something. So indeed, would be lovely if I managed to put something in words as well.
Sir, your message to the group from this fourth edition
Message to the
Young writers, those who want to become like
Ah,
you.
ah. Well, first of all, keep writing. Don't hesitate. I think for a writer to become successful, the most important thing is to write. You don't have to publish everything, or everything may not get published. That's not the main thing. But just write, and later you can see what survives the test of time and what doesn't. But I think just it's valuable for itself, for the act itself, that it helps you learn yourself better, and it helps you reflect the world better. And I think that will be valuable in whatever you will do in later life.
So far, how many books you have published this, and what these books are coming up?
I have so far published about 10 poetry books and one novel, and my writing is largely, you could say, lyrical or philosophical. I feel that man's relationship with nature is something which is important, and also that of course, poetry can also talk of the everyday matters and very trivial things, and it's also necessary. But I think it's important that we don't write or talk only about the immediate, but we also think about larger questions of life in literature and in art. That what are we doing here? What is our purpose of our existence and activity, and what we can potentially achieve in our lifetime?
Thank you.
Thank you.